G'day everybody, welcome to Rides and Vibes. Today we're at the Character Warehouse here in Vineland. We're going to take a bit of a look here, then we're going to go to the one on International Drive just to show you a little bit about what is in there and how much money you could save if you shopped here first before actually buying stuff in the parks. So come on everybody, here we go. That one there's a Ahsoka. That's $5. What's the... Are they all Ahsoka or...? No. Oh, that's from Pandora. Another Ahsoka one.
Oh no, that's probably too big. We'll go to the small one.
That's $5. Figment Loungefly bag. That's only $39.99. In the in Epcot, that was $100. Got some glasses for $14.99. What's the real price? Oh, $34.99. That's a bargain. Christmas tree ornaments. $12.99. In the parks, $49.99. Geez, that's a big saving, isn't it? Lots of Christmas tree ornaments. This is youth apparel. So there's quite a bit. Oh, some figurine toys. Doesn't have a price on them ones though.
Okay.
This Spider-Man short hoodie, short sleeve hoodie is $14.99. It was $44. That's insane. $14.99 for that one. So these are all $14.99. That's amazing. $14.99 for the Marvel things.
What size, Dana?
$19.99 from $39.99. Jeez. We got black and green. Oh, red, blue.
Requesting the size plate when you request it is correct, so we can
Spirit jersey.
have it or not.
$34.99.
Don't want to miss anything.
Black on white. That's pretty cool. Minnie Mouse beanies. How much were they? $3.99. That's a bargain. Get ready for winter. Or in Australia it is winter. And look at that one. That's got Minnie Mouse on it. And that Minnie Mouse one is $7.99. That one there is still available in the park too. I've seen it. So that's a bit of a bargain. Can't tell what the real price is because I can't see it. Some more hats. It's like a chef's hat. It's interesting. So if you're looking for some Loungefly bags before you go in the park, they're the range at $39.99. So it's a really good idea to pick up your Loungefly bag before going into the park, coming into here. Because you've just got stacks that you can go on. And they always swap out as well, so just keep an eye on it. Some earrings and some rings. Over this one here you have some pop sockets. It's pretty cool. There for your iPhone thingy. This is a clip-on Groot. It's pretty cool. $14.99. Plus you got this keyring, Tron keyring. So we have some Lion King Crocs. And they're $24.99.
Yeah.
Once
Check that box.
Yeah, stand up.
It tells you about
So they're usually around 50, $59.99, so that's like nearly half price off, more than half price. So you got the Buzz, the other thing from Alice in Wonderland. You have the Orange Bird. It's pretty cool, isn't it? We've got some Mickey sippers and Minnie, so they're $7.99. In the park, that will take you back to $19.99, so a fairly decent price there. And you've also got some Guru, some things, and there's some little cups there. These are play in the park ones. They're $14.99. In the park, they were $34.99. So once again, a pretty big bargain. $19.99 from $59.99. That's a pretty good bargain. They've only got an extra small. You can see at the top. Oh, I like that. This one here is still in the park. That's in Disneyland at the moment, so that's only $7.99 for a medium. That's a good price. If you like Funko Pops, you can get them for $3.99 here. Indiana Jones and that. That's pretty cool. So these are weighted teddies. So that was our first stop at the Vineland Character Warehouse, Disney's Character Warehouse here in Vineland. So we did have a bit of a walk around, have a good look, and we did also purchase a few things which we'll show later when we get back to the hotel. But yeah, that was a little bit of fun, a little bit of a good outing today. So we're actually staying in where are we staying at?
I didn't know.
Oh, that's right. We're staying at the Endless Summer, so we actually call it the Green Line bus. So Endless Summer Surfside is where we're staying, and then we call it the Green Line bus all the way here. It costs $2 to get here, $2 to get back, or technically speaking, you buy like a pass for the whole day, or for 2-3 days. It costs like $8 for 3-day pass if you're using the public transport. So it's pretty simple to get here. We're going to catch that bus, so that green or the red line, all the way back to the other character warehouse on International Drive, and we'll be going there very shortly. So this is the Disney Character Warehouse on International Drive. So this is a little bit different than the other one. It's a smaller one, but less busy. No lineup to get in this one, which is good. $4.99 for glasses. You'd be paying around $20. It's a $30 in the parks. It's pretty decent. Got Star Wars ones. So these are all kids ones. Just having a look if there's any pins. That's a nice little headpiece for $7.99. No pins. No actual pins today. Lion King Spirit jersey. This one here is $39.99. Says Hakuna Matata on the back. There you are. That's cool. Oh, sorry. Oh. It's a cool jumper. Doesn't have a price tag. That's a $14.99. These ones here are $7.99, and it also comes with a matching top. That kids one is okay. Doesn't have the actual discounted price on that one. Got some nice little prints. At the back wall, you can see that there's some Lululemon tops. So they're going to sit you back $84.99. Still cheaper than they are at Lululemon. So we've got small, no mediums. This one, Dallas is looking for a medium one. Some Winnie the Pooh t-shirts, they're $14.99. And these are all $19.99 for them. So a lot cheaper than if you're buying them in the shop or buying them at the park. So this mini dress, this one here, so set you back $39.99. And these are for pets, so you know you can dress your pets up as well. Bruno, so that's where you can put the thing so you can still walk them. The little round thing. You've got plenty of cups and mugs, very similar to what they had at the other one, but they've just got a little bit more of a wall for it. So like this one here, $7.99 and around $20. So you're saving 50%, more than 50% on the mugs if you are buying them. They do have the same drink containers that they had at the other one. So lots of drink containers, which is good. And basically a wall of collectible figurines. It's actually, there's quite a lot. So they range between $14.99 depending what you're getting, like Inside Out or Nightmare on Elm Street. I mean, not Nightmare Before Christmas. That'd be scary. Or you know, Encanto is $9.95, $9.99. So just depending on what you're looking at or what you're looking at getting, usually around $14.99. Apart from that Encanto one, once again you've got the Marvel shirts. That one's kind of feels weird. With Lounge Fly bags here as well. They've also got this really hard one, like it's a hard case one. That's $39.99. Keep saying $39.95, but that's because it's what it is. Like we have 5 cents. We don't have this 1 cent thing in Australia, so it's just force of habit. Crocs. These are like the Velcro ones, so you get a bit more support. That actually latches up. But these are obviously the Haunted Mansion version. Once again, like heaps of Figment. Hats, weighted toys, very similar to what they had at the other one. I'm actually looking for pins, seeing if there was any pins around. I was also looking for lightsaber hilts, but I think they're all gone. Can't find any. For a very long time they had Rey's lightsaber hilt, but it looks like they're all gone. Now, for a hoodie, that's $14. It's got the Walt Disney World D on the front. These are all large though, so you'd have to have a large one. Then Walt Disney World on the back. It's still in the park. I've seen that in the park. That's a really different color, but I've seen it in the park. So that's ridiculous saving there. That's like a $89 hoodie, basically, at the end of the day. You got some shirts over here. So from the second outlet, we got the fidget, glasses, and beanies. So we got these for Willow at the first one, and Dallas also got, doing this awesomely, and Best Pals jumper. So this is just a crew neck sort of nice jumper, very good for intermediate, when the weather's a little bit cooler, but not too cool.
How's this?
Willow also at the second outlet. First? Yeah, the first one. So this was at, what was the first one we went to? That was Vineland. So Willow got
What are all these?
that one there from Avatar.
What are all these?
2 beanies.
2 beanies.
And also this hat. So that's what they're the scores we got from the outlets. And that's it for this one here, this video. So if you did like the video, hit that like, button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. If there was anything interesting that you'd like to, put a comment down below. What's your laugh while we're there? Other than that, as always, keep riding those vibes, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.